Okay, thank you. Now, so a lot of the firms that are here with us today, obviously, if they have after this, they're kind of interested, what would it take to go down that road of a Copilot implementation? How would you recommend approaching that?
There are multiple questions that they will need to ask themselves. And Neil, that is also conversations we've had with your team. No matter the AI tool that is implemented, I feel like the first question before rolling this out to all users in a firm would be, what is the organization's, what is the firm's goal in using AI? I've met with multiple customers since January. And when I ask this question, what is your goal? You want this product, but what is your goal? Most of those people have answered, I don't know. So what if you don't know why you're getting into this, how can you measure your return on investment? How can you make sure this is used responsibly? How can you make sure this is done right for your firm, but also your clients and everyone it affects? So the first thing to ask or to focus on is your goal. But maybe you don't know what the goal is because this is so new to everyone. So another question you can ask is, what is the firm's pain points that AI can address? Do you have heavy processes, admin, repetitive tasks that are done? Do you have a lot of document layouts that you need to address? So those are all examples that you'll see. And then important to verify what is your firm's current capabilities in terms of AI. And if we're talking Microsoft, what bundles do you have? Your users, are they comfortable with AI? How can you address this? Have you addressed their worries around AI? Is your security high enough? You probably already have cybersecurity implemented within your firm's systems, but is it enough? If we're talking about AI, it's a different game. We need to increase that cybersecurity. And in terms of data, I know a law firm does handle a whole lot of data. Is that data structured well? Is it cleaned up? Do you have data governance strategy in place? Because once you go around all of your data, identify it, label it, what is very sensitive, what is not sensitive, which users should have access to what data, should we have conditional access here? So there's a lot of cybersecurity elements related to the data, because your AI results are as powerful and accurate as the quality of your data. So that is very important. And does your firm have the necessary infrastructure and resources to support AI initiatives? That will be conversation that you'll need to have with your IT team, if it is PACE, if it's an internal IT, but very important to review all of this before you start rolling this out to a whole team.
Right.